Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll take a look at the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, exploring its key features, user manual, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, Samsung Galaxy Pencil, USB-C cable, user manual, product overview, device layout and functions, specification, how to use the device, hard buttons, setting the side button, inserting an SD card, removing the SD card, formatting the SD card, turning the device on and off, initial setup, using networks, Samsung account, understanding the screen, navigation bar, home screen and app screen, editing the home screen, displaying apps, launching Finder, moving items, creating folders, taskbar, edge panel, lock screen, editing shortcuts, changing the screen lock method, indicator icons, notification panel, quick settings panel, controlling media playback, controlling nearby devices, controlling frequently used devices, screen capture, screen record, keyboard layout, changing the input language, using the keyboard button, additional keyboard functions, copying and pasting, extracting text, using multiple apps, launching multi-window, Samsung Internet, using secret mode, Samsung Health, Samsung Notes, Music share, Smart View. Go to Settings, Arrow Advanced Features, Arrow Daily Board. Enable it, customize displayed items like time, memos, and slideshows, and use it as a smart screensaver with optional memo creation. Google Apps. Modes and routines. Display. Security and privacy. Accounts and backup. Maintaining water and dust resistance. How to connect. Connecting to a phone. Connecting to a computer. Go to Settings, Arrow Connections, Arrow Wi-Fi, select your network, enter the password, and manage settings like password sharing, auto reconnect, and quick Wi-Fi access. Turn on Bluetooth, put your earphones or speaker in pairing mode, select the device, and manage audio or connection settings from Bluetooth options. Smart features. Drag and drop text, images, and files between compatible apps for smoother multitasking. Use S Pen to quickly select text or objects and access tools for copying, saving, extracting, GIF creation, and Samsung Notes. Access S Pen shortcuts and editing tools instantly with quick settings, writing styles, and creative features. Use Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra as a wireless second monitor to extend your workspace for multitasking and productivity. Customize your tablet with good lock modules for personalized themes, gestures, layouts, and system settings. Share music, videos, and media with another person by connecting multiple compatible Bluetooth audio devices. Apps and features. Managing apps. Galaxy AI. Unleashing your productivity. Creating epic images. Using the AI Select feature. Unlocking a healthier you. Air command. Screen write. Translate. Write on calendar. S Pen to text. Air view. Air view. Pen select. Screen off memos. Advanced features. Motions and gestures. Camera and gallery setting. The SIM model supports calls, SMS, mobile data, and eSIM, while the Wi-Fi model can make calls through a linked smartphone. Open the camera app, tap the 4 dots icon, select Settings, scroll down to Reset Settings, and confirm to restore all camera preferences to default. Taking pictures. Using the camera button. Create a private space on Samsung to protect apps, photos, and files by enabling Secure Folder from Settings and setting a PIN, password, or pattern. Select photos from Gallery and move them to Secure Folder, or add apps with the plus icon to keep personal data private. Adjust Auto Lock, change the icon and name, and add files, notes, or documents while keeping everything protected with your security method. Battery safety. Charging the battery. Quick charging. Charging other devices. Reducing the battery consumption. Battery charging tips and precautions. Battery power. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. See you in the next one.